Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a red day today. My green day streak has been snapped. 4 green days now. It's been snapped. And just a small loss. I was down $6 and I got it down to $2. Did some sloppy trading, so stay tuned. Yo, traders, he got the open here. Should have jumped in there right there, man. Like I said in the intro, some sloppy trades, and I should have jumped in right there. Should have been in there. I think I was just sketched out by just how the setup was. This just looked choppy in the wick. I don't know. I should have took a trade here because it's holding, like, look up here in this chart up here. It's a daily chart. It's holding this high here, its previous high. So that should have been an entry. That should have been like a clear long entry there. I don't know why did not take that long. That was like a perfect entry right there. But anyway, I'm gonna jump in here soon. And it's pretty late when I get in too. Just push it up. Looking for a little pullback. And today, like I said, it was sloppy trading today, and I suffered for some overconfidence too. Like, I was feeling myself today. I really was feeling myself. Like, I had this, like I said, like my green day streak's been snapped. I was like 4 green days in a row. And I was feeling myself, man. I overtraded today. So I should have cut some of this stuff out, but I wanted to show y'all that entry right there. So anyway, I'm just waiting for an entry. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for a pullback, I'm waiting for a red candle. The tape's acting heavy up here, so I don't want to take a trade here. See, I probably could have got it right there. Yeah, okay, yeah. I jumped in there at 14.91. Now, this is a little early, which is a good strategy. I jumped in there. That's what I like to do. But it was just a little too early. But, I jumped in there with 5 shares, and I can add on, so I'm not really tripping. Down dollar, some change. So I jumped in there, got a 14.83 average now. I'm gonna get the pop, but I think I take it off early. No, do I take it off early? Yeah, I take it. I take it off way early, man, and it's gonna rip above 15. I remember now. Take it off right here. I just took it off right there, man, but it just rips. Stay, bro. I only made 90 cents on that trade, so this is what I was talking about when I said I was waiting for the pullback, not earlier. So now I'm waiting for a pullback. It's pushing up. There we go. So I should have, like, here I FOMO a little bit because I was a little revenge trading FOMO because I was a little kind of mad that I sold this so early and I missed this little rip here. So I wanted to pull back here to the VWAP level, but I don't wait for it. Don't wait for it. And it's not because it's like, it was a bad trade or anything like that. It's just that I just wanted to get in the stop because I felt like it was going to pop up in reverse. See that little pop up there. So I'm in at 15.28, but it's real heavy. The tape's acting heavy. So in hindsight, yeah, I shouldn't have took that trade. I should have just waited for the VWAP like I normally do. But like I said, I had a little overconfidence, and I know that I'm in 5 shares, and I can add again. But not like I said, I want this stock to go against me so I can get a lower average. So I'm putting it back. So I put my order back out there because it looked like it bounced and it looked like it wanted to rip, but stock is just so heavy. It's heavy at that 15-20 level. Look at the axe, 15-20. Look at that, hitting seller a little bit. 15-20, got above it. Can it push up? 15-25, big wall. It's above it. But it's heavy. See how quickly it came back down? So I just now that it's acting that heavy, and I don't want to sell down here, because it's not like I don't want to get out for a loss. It's just that I want to give myself a chance to get a bounce or to get the stock right. So I want it to go against me, and I want to take an ad spot. See, I'm in at 5 shares. I mean, this is a starter position here. So it looked like it was holding up there. So I took an ad spot there. I got 10 shares now, $5.17. But that wasn't the bounce spot. It broke the VWAP. And I'm just looking to see how much I'm down. I'm down $2.50. Took another ad spot there because it looked like it was hovering in at 15.10. $15 shares, 15.10. And like I said, like I have a rule, $5 per trade, $5 max loss per trade. I didn't hit that. See, look, it's act like it is wanting to bounce. When you look at the level 2 in the bids, it act like it want to bounce. But this stock is just heavy. It won't bounce. So, yeah, man, it's a little bit of sloppy trade. Look at that wall at 15. Sloppy trading. Probably should just cut off. I actually I am gonna cut off a lot. Like so, right here, see what it's doing. See what it's doing. When it did that, like this tape, that I don't like how the color looked. But once the stock opened. Once the next candle opened below the VWAP there and didn't immediately shoot up, I was done with it. Done with it. And I got out just in time because it's going to dump. I didn't catch all that. So right here, I'm going to take a trade here. But look, see, I'm going to tell you, look at why I'm taking a trade here. I don't have a line there, but you see the green right here? Like it's lined up here. This is like a little support level here. And you see how it's hovering here a little bit. See how it was just bouncing a little bit before it was here? Before I edit there. Like, see what it's doing? You see how it's hovering and bouncing? So I'm thinking, okay, some support here, some buying. And it dipped a little lower to another little support level here from this candle. And it's trying to bounce. Like, this is a long red candle, man. I'm expecting the shorts to cover. Like, I'm expecting the shorts to cover and take some profit. But really, somebody just dumped their shares of this shit. CFVI, somebody just dumped all their stuff. Like, I could have got out for profit right there. I could have got out, but I was just being greedy, trying to get that $14 pop. Never got the $14 pop. It's being greedy, man. Like, I was just being too greedy. I should have took that off since it's like a little washout play. I should have took that off when I was up 10, 15 cents. Like right now, she took it off. Like, on these backside washout plays, man, you want to be quick. You don't want to be holding it like I'm doing now, man. Like, I'm up 10 cents on the back out washout long. That is good. You know, I need to take that off for some profit, man. I'm tripping. Sometimes you get like a 5-cent bounce or a 4-cent bounce off a backside washout long type of play. You know what I'm saying? I should have took that off for some profit. Look at that, getting dumped on miserably. And I see the downhawk come in, I definitely don't want to be in it. Then I know I'm trying to get out now. Yeah, this is a bad trade, some sloppy trading. I took an ad spot because it looked like it was holding up, so I took an ad spot there. I'm in at 1367, and you know this is. I apologize, guys. This is not good trading, man. This is not good trading. Like, this is why this is a bad trade. Like, you know, I should have put a support line here. But if you look like below this and like down here, there's no more support. There's no more support until 13.15. You see here on the 1 minute candle and on the daily, which is the 1 minute. This is the next support level at 13.15. So I should be looking trying to take a trade down there. I need to be trying to take a trade down there, and not where I'm at now. Look at that. Nothing's bouncing. Look at that, all that red coming through. I took it off right there. Couldn't stand the heat anymore. I'm down $6.84. Look at that. So here I started getting some of my money back. Started coming from a loss to a smaller loss. So here, letting the stock push up. I'm anticipating a breakout here. No, actually I'm not. It's gonna pull back some more. But see these little VWAP lines and that 9 EMA here, and that the stock it's gonna attempt to go down here, but it's not going down. That's a bullish play to me in my book, so I'm going to enter a position. So I'm in there at 679, and I'm getting a nice little pop. This is I would say it's like a B setup because this candle should have held these levels. But got a nice little pop on some low volume. Down $5.78 on the day. Same stock. Here's some more sloppy trading again. I'm trying to play the same position here. Here go a little more sloppy trading, but I managed my position well by taking these starter position size, not jumping in there with full size or a size that I can't manage and I can't add and handle. So 5 share size is okay with me with my account size. I could have jumped in there with 10 and then do 10 more, but 5 shares is okay with me. How I'm trading right now, because like my trading isn't there all the way. It's there, but it isn't there all the way. It's like that Dunder, the Dunder-Kruger effect, that model. It's like I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I was at the bottom of despair. Now I'm on the way up. So anyway, I took a little I jumped in there. Then I added to my position there. I jumped in. Got a 662 average. And I felt like I kind of felt like I was gonna get a reversal here because the stock just slowed down here. The stock stopped going down. So I'm getting a nice little pop. $660. The tape's slowing up. It is looking well, not looking weak. It's just looking like the momentum is giving up. Right there now it looks weak. Do I take another ad spot? I think I take another ad spot here. Yeah, so I take another ad. I know I'm gonna take another ad spot at that 630 level. So I'm just waiting for it. And if it would have flushed through 630, I would have probably just sold that. I would probably just stop out for a loss and been an $8 loss today or whatever it would have been. But this stock's gonna bounce. I'm going to get a bounce. There we go. Took an ad spot. Now I'm in at 655. I was just at 683, I think. Now I got 655 average. That is a nice ad spot. That is a nice ad spot. Now look at this bounce. I'm gonna get a nice little bounce. Did panic out the trade. There was some support down there. I waited for it. Got it. Now I feel like I'm in the driver's seat because the stock would have flushed already. Like, see how it's like at the VWAP levels here. See how it's at the VWAP here and it's under these levels, but isn't the stock still green? It's not turning red. That stock, I mean, I can say that means that, but it's the short's gonna start covering. The VWAP's not really rejecting it strongly enough. See how long it's taking? It's like a squeeze is about to happen. I'm gonna be in it for the squeeze. There it goes. Got out first. Like, look at that. Look how quickly I got out my shares. So boom, I'm down $2.85 today. Thank you guys for watching some sloppy trading. It's your boy Money Games.